What's up? You ready? That's my question to you. Are you ready? Because until you're ready, I can't really show you what's going on in the universe of stocks, Bitcoin, and anything entrepreneurial because, that's who we are here at Rich TV Live, right? There it is. There it is. Thanks to Drew. You are a scholar, my friend. Drew is a scholar. Now, what is happening, you ask? Well, let's find out. Wins. Wasn't I? Didn't I talk about wins yesterday? Things that make you go, Wins. What's going on with wins? Are they halted? Is this a halt? Have we seen another halt? Yes, there is another halt. Wins Finance Holdings up 153% at $205. Traded 319,000 shares. Ooh, yeah. That's a lot of winning. We're talking going from $96 to a high of $230. And then it retracted. It came back down to 205 where the NASDAQ decided to halt it. I don't know. Let's try to find out some more details. I'd like to know why Wins has been halted. Does anybody know why the NASDAQ has decided to halt Wins? Is it simply because it's up too much? Are they giving people a chance to get in? What is the reason? What is the reasoning behind this halt? Well, bar chart thinks it's a good buy, a 48% buy. Longer term, the trend strength is strong. Now, this company was at over $400 a share. It went down, this thing has been absolutely just insane. This has been as high as $465 a share on February 2nd. That wasn't that long ago. Today, it goes to $205 and they halt it. It goes from $465 all the way down to $19 on June 1st. And now, less than a week later, they're back up 1,800% from those prices. They're back up to $205. What is causing this crazy momentum with Wins? Wins Finance Holdings, Inc. is focused on providing financing to the small and medium enterprise organizations, primarily in China. The company principal types of leasing consists of direct financial leasing, in which equipment purchase directly from approved suppliers and then lease the equipment so they're dealing in China. very interesting. And then lease the equipment to the lessees and purchase and lease back arrangements in which purchase and take ownership of the lease asset from the client and then lease the asset back to the client and charge rent. Winds Finance Holdings Inc. is based in Beijing, China. Wow. It's been very interesting the way this thing is traded. I don't know if I've really seen too many stocks trade like this before. Trying to understand why, trying to get to the bottom of this. We can see that they're currently halted. I'd like to know why they're being halted. Let's see if we can get more due diligence here. Let's see if we can get more due diligence from the NASDAQ. I'd like to know why the NASDAQ has halted this security. Why has the NASDAQ halted this security? Why is WINS halted after it has exploded? It has gone from $460 down to $19, back to $205 in a period of a couple months. So this is absolutely crazy the way this is trading. This is a 10-bagger, and I mean, it would have been nice to be able to get involved in this, but I mean, I think sure everybody was probably pretty scared. Sorry, it was as low as $10. Last year, June 15th of last year, was at $10. Wow. So this thing has some crazy movement. So take a look at this. Take a look at this. We found the news. The NASDAQ announced that trading was halted today in WINS Finance Holdings at 12:53:20 Eastern Time for additional information requested from the company at last sale price of $205.01. Not good, WINS. This is not good. Trading will remain halted until WINS Finance Holding Inc. has fully satisfied NASDAQ request for additional information. That's not good. No, it's not. For news and additional information about the company, please contact the company directly or check under the company's symbol using info quotes in the NASDAQ website. For more information about the NASDAQ stock market, visit NASDAQ, www.nasdaq.com. I don't know, it seems fishy to me. What do you guys think? So the NASDAQ right now is currently up 15 points. NASDAQ is strong, guys. Still stays strong. And the S&P 500 is up 3.4 points. The Dow Jones is up 41.74 points. So there is an analyst that is saying that the bull market will top out in 2018. So there's some negative conversation right now. We are seeing that the global Dow is down slightly at one point. We can see that gold is down 9 points and oil is down 2 points. So markets are mixed. It's not up, it's not down. It seems as though markets have hit all-time highs and the shorters want to take it down. The optimists, the pessimists are fighting, and there's a war happening in the market. It's going up, it's going down, it's going sideways, kind of trading sideways. and we're going into the summertime, and that's kind of what I anticipate. Everybody's going on vacation. All the guys that are the big players are going on their boats, going on vacation with their kids. Kids are almost done school. Everybody's going on vacation. So that's probably what's going on here. I anticipate the markets not to be that strong, but there will be opportunities and diamonds in the rough that will be available every single day. And we're going to bring those to you. We are going to be the platform that's going to bring you the winners every single day. That's what we do. That is our modus operandi. And, occasionally when you find the winners, you will get some chicken dinners. Now, I've told you guys this before. I am not a licensed advisor, and I am not perfect. I win and I lose. And sometimes I win big and sometimes I lose big. So I do not want you guys buying any stocks that I buy or I talk about or I recommend on the show. Okay? And I want you guys to understand that you guys need to do your due diligence before you buy any securities, because these securities are very risky and they can go up very quickly and they can go down very quickly. And that's why I always say to you guys, take your money and run, because the only way to really protect your capital is to be in a cash position. I've told you guys this many times. Stay in a cash position. If you stay in a cash position, you will protect your capital. That is the secret to success. So these are the 5 hottest stocks right now. Wins, which has been halted, up 153%. These are on the NASDAQ and the New York Stock Exchange, everybody. And MOSY currently up 64%. DRWI currently up 53%. ABIL currently up 36%. And MYSZ currently up 19.7%. Now, don't chase these stocks. Watch them, date them, get to know them, get to know their trading patterns, get to know their trading histories. And then when you see that they're at their bottom, like a 52-week low, like a lot of the marijuana stocks are right now, that's when you can try to snipe it and try to really get a nice opportunity to get a good return on your investment. Let's take a look at a marijuana stock right now that is an amazing sniper trade. Got me whistling down the road, does Aurora. So, do you see this spike here? So we've seen the marijuana stocks go down for quite some time. And now, today, finally, we've seen a spike in Aurora Cannabis after hitting almost a 52-week low, like getting pretty low. It's doing a dead cat bounce. Now, let's take a look at the Canadian symbol. I think it's doing a little bit better than this. So as you guys can see, Aurora Cannabis, ACB, it's at $2.10. It was as low today as $1.90. And it went today as high as $2.18. So we only see a 4% jump. We've seen a little bit higher today, but we may be seeing the marijuana stocks starting to hit a floor. They might be doing a dead cat bounce, and this might be a good opportunity to buy some Aurora, because it's getting really, really low, and I find it a little bit mind-boggling that this company is currently trading at only $2. So I think it has a lot of potential. I think it has a lot of potential to go up from here, and I think obviously a lot of people do too, because the marijuana stocks have been sleeping. When this got down to 190, that would have been an incredible buying opportunity. And you could have literally sold it at 218 intraday and made an amazing, a perfect sniper trade. What do you think about Aurora Cannabis, ACB, currently at $2.07? Is it a buy at these prices? We've been seeing marijuana stocks do a free fall. What do you think? Is this the chance that they come back up? The way that you stay in a good cash position is you just buy low, sell high, and you get in and out of the stocks like a ninja, like a sniper. You don't want to be holding penny stocks. You don't want to be holding Bitcoin stocks and marijuana stocks right now because they're very volatile. They're going up and they're going down very quickly. So the best way to trade a lot of these securities is just get in and get out, take advantage of the momentum when you see it, and if you can get in at 52-week lows like ACB has been, and you can sniper it at 190 and see it bounce up at 218, that would have been a nice little sniper trade today where you could have taken a nice little return, got in, got out, and then, you're out of that play. So you don't have to be involved in the medical marijuana space every single day. If the marijuana stocks are going down, you can still make nice sniper moves. There's still opportunities. But right now, it's not like the marijuana stocks are in a bull market. If anything, they're in a bear market right now. And going into the summertime, I anticipate this to continue. Now, I hope it doesn't. I would love to see the medical marijuana stocks turn the momentum around. But the thing that is really lacking in marijuana stocks right now is any good substantial news. So if you're an IPO for a new company and you're going public, like Leaf just went public, LEAF, is a brand new IPO that just went public, and they went public at $9.50, and then they went immediately down to $6.71. So in this economic climate, who really wants to go public as a medical marijuana company? Why would you want to go public as a medical marijuana company right now, considering the climate, considering the industry, considering what's going on right now with medical marijuana stocks where there's a lot of uncertainty? And what's happening is it looks like there's a lot of competition. And this competition is being created because Health Canada has decided that they want to give licenses to a lot of smaller licensed producers. So the larger licensed producers like Canopy Growth Corp, Aphira, Chronos Group, Aurora, Organigram, the bigger ones like them, Leaf, some of the bigger producers, Leaf is currently making $30 million a year. That's why they IPO'd at $9.50. But you could see they've immediately come back down. So this is happening because a lot of these prices are overvalued. And a company that is making $30 million a year shouldn't be trading at $10. So based on those numbers, these numbers are not based on fundamentals. They're based on, I think it's 7-time multiples. So they're trying to determine where the company's going to be as opposed to where the company should be right now. And the reality is a lot of these marijuana companies aren't where they should be. A lot of them are ahead of where they should be. Some of them don't even have licenses, like Supreme Pharmaceuticals doesn't have a license, and they're trading over $1. And then there's companies with licenses that are trading under $1. Like, how do you explain that? Like, Abcan. Abcan is trading under $1, and they have a license. So, let's take a look at Abcan. Abcan's at 98 cents. You know I love Abcan. It's got a license. It's trading under $1. And then you got Supreme Pharmaceuticals trading over $1, and it doesn't have a license. How do you explain that? There's got to be some real fundamentals, right? At some point, there's going to be some real fundamentals. So let's try to determine what the bottom is of these stocks. I believe Abcan has a long way to go. I believe a lot of these companies have a long way to go. And if they're down, that just simply creates a buying opportunity, doesn't it? Let's take a look at some of the other companies that are up. MOSY, currently up 77%. We're going to start dating right now. Ooh, yeah, on the NASDAQ. You heard it earlier. If you heard the alert by Kenny Lee, giving us our picks. Earlier today, the DJ Cloud Ninja. It's true. And MOSY is up 78% at $1.46. I love NASDAQ small caps. Are there any other NASDAQ small caps that I'm missing? How about DRWI, another NASDAQ small cap stock, up 61%, traded 13 million shares at $1.03. Wow. That's a big winner. It's got chicken dinner written all over it. Dragon Wave, DRWI. Do your due diligence. A lot of these winners got surf and turf, turkey, chicken dinner written all over them. It's true. Would you like another one? How about this one? ABIL at 78 cents on the NASDAQ, a NASDAQ small cap stock, up 38%, traded 738,000 shares. It is garnering our attention. What do you think? Do you like it? Is it a winner? Does it got chicken dinner written all over it? Does it garner your attention? Do you love it? And last but not least, MYSZ at $1.74, traded 16.6 mil. It's up 16.6%, traded 1.3 million shares. Look at this. Ooh, yeah. And then the shorters got a hold of it. Took it back down. What do you think? Do you think it's a winner? Would you like to date it? Are you watching MYSZ, My Size Inc.? It's a winner. Are you watching? Because if you're not winning, you're not watching. And I totally understand. I understand. There are a lot of channels out there. There's a lot of people to watch. I want you guys to take a look at this, okay? All the Bitcoin stocks today are down, except for BITCF, coming back from the dead, up 11%, traded 864,000 shares. I love me some BITCF. I love Bitcoin stocks. And this one right here, I think it's a big winner. I think it's got chicken dinner written all over it. It's one of the only ones that's in the green today. When all the others are down, this is one that's up. That tells me it's got power. What do you think? Do you like BITCF? We've seen it as high as 80 cents. Before it went caveat emptor, and it came back from the dead. It has now been resuscitated, and look at it now. Climbing. Can we see 80 cents again? As Rich Stradamus, I see a day where this will be above $1. Mark this day on your calendars. June 7th, 2017, the day Rich said BITCF is going to $1. Let's see. Mark it in your calendar. Telling you. Now, what else is going on in the world of cryptocurrencies as we speak? What is the price? My goodness, look at this. Bitcoin is dropping. Now, only 2%. It's at $2,789. It doesn't feel to me like it's dropping. I feel like it's still extremely high. I'm still extremely bullish on Bitcoin. I'm waiting for it to drop more substantially so I can buy some substantially. But this really hasn't gone down. This has been up. It's gone down slightly. It was at 28.60, I believe, the highest. And now it's back to 27.89. So, yeah, it's come back a little bit. When you're at all-time highs, you have to come back a little bit. So, am I concerned? I'm not concerned. Let's take a look at the World Coin Index and some of the stocks in the World Coin Index. Let's take a look at the BIT10. BTC down 2%. Ethereum, ETH, down less than 1%. Litecoin, LTC, down 3%. Ethereum Classic, ETC, up 2.8%. I like that Ethereum Classic. Ethereum is at 260. Ethereum Classic at $17. Success leaves clues. Some opportunity there. Ripple XRP up 1% at 28 cents. LSK up 33% at $2.77. I love the Monero card. Monero, I'm mining Monero. It's at $55, up 0.55%, slightly. Digibyte, DGB, down at 5 cents, down 6.9%. How about Steem, a social media company that I'm a part of? Follow me, Rich TV Live on Steem. It's currently at $2.26, losing steam. Currently down 13%. Steem, under the symbol STEEM. Steam. And last but not least, number 10, Factom, FCT, down 9% at $29. You see the market's taking the hit. Now, what is leading the charge when it comes to Bitcoin, you ask? Let's bring out the Angel of Mercy. Would you like to see I know you guys want me to play, so I finally decided to get it off the couch, dust it off. Let's see the hottest Bitcoin cryptocurrencies in the planet. A, B, Y, number 65 in the World Coin Index. Art Bytes at 1.5 cents, up 82%. How about Moon Coin? Going to the moon. MOON, up 74%. Wow. Woo! How about this? LBRY Credit, LBC, up 44% at 50 cents. How about this? LISK, I showed you before, LSK, up 34% on the list of the highest trending cryptocurrency winners. Zetacoin, ZET, at 2 cents, up 32%. How about ARK at $1.02, up 28%. And denotes note, N-O-T-E, at 12 cents, up 29%. How about the Max coin? Max at 4.5 cents, up 20%. Ooh, yeah, that's a lot of winners. I'll put this down. I'll play this for you guys maybe a little bit later if you guys get lucky. Don't necessarily want to bring on, my debut out yet. Got a little cold feet. So these are the cryptocurrencies that are hot right now. But Bitcoin is down. So what it has done, it has hurt the Bitcoin stocks. With the exception of BITCF, which is climbing as we speak. And I hope you guys can get in, because I think it's a big winner. In fact, I believe it has chicken dinner written all over it. As a sniper, as a ninja, these are the moves that we're looking for. These are the trends that we're trying to identify. As you can see, it's climbing as we speak. But what happened to all the other Bitcoin stocks, you ask? Well, Bitcoin's down. I told you guys. But when Bitcoin goes down, the Bitcoin stocks, cryptocurrencies that are Bitcoin and cryptocurrency related, at least in their description, will be punished. All the offers are going. All the offers are going. There's one more 4-5 left, and we're at 4-6 people. Watch what's happening here. If you're buying this, buy it on the bid. There's a huge spread here. The bid's at 4.25. The offer's at 4.5. You can literally make money buying the spread. Buy at 4.25, sell at 4.5. There's a 3-cent spread, and you can literally make money buying and selling the spread on BITCF. This is literally live on YouTube, the greatest streaming platform in the galaxy. Thank you, YouTube. Without you, none of this is even possible. But because of you, all of this is possible. Now, what, you ask, is down? Well, it's painful to tell you this. Oh, painful to say it. Here we go. Let's take a look at the first casualty of war. So, this has got me really happy. Now, I'm out of the stock. I don't really care. But at the end of the day, I don't like it when I see stocks just getting crushed. And I don't know, man. I think it's, I think that it's leaving a lot of people feeling a certain way. I'm going to show you how it's making me feel. Not on this specific stock, but on one that I bought specifically. I'm going to tell you how it makes me feel. Very, very soon. I just need to find a way to express myself. It's not easy to express myself because I don't like to show my feelings. I don't like to show my emotions. I'm very much like a robot. Stocks go up, they go down. I really don't have emotion. I've been saying it for so long that you can't have emotion, because if you get emotional, you make bad decisions, and that's not the way to trade. You got to make decisions that are not emotional. You got to make decisions based on fundamentals. You got to make decisions based on companies' revenues. You got to make decisions based on real, true fundamentals. Would you guys agree? So, based on that, let's see if I can find a way to express myself clearly. As difficult as it may seem right now, I feel the need to express myself very, very clearly, because this isn't nice, you know, like when you see this much red and you see a stock that's down 32%. Oh, it's painful. It's very, very, very painful. You know, there's people out there that are bleeding right now. And I think what it does is it might be creating a buying opportunity. I'm not suggesting you buy it because it could go down more. I mean, who knows how low it's going to go. I didn't think it was going to go down 32% today, but unfortunately, it is. So, you know, we got to deal with it. What else can you do, right? Got to deal with it. So, like right now, I'm struggling. Literally struggling. It's not how I feel. No. No. Kinda. Yeah, in a wrong, weird, twisted way. More like, yeah, more like that. Sorry, guys. Sorry, Tony. Sorry. So, BTSC has not taken well to Bitcoin going down. It's down 33%. The opposite of, ooh, yeah. It's the, oh, no. The, oh, no. Now, this might be creating an amazing buying opportunity, or this trend may continue. I don't know what's going to happen here. I'm going to be watching very carefully, but I'm very interested in buying this stock, and I'm very interested in buying at these levels, but I think it might go lower because I bought it lower. So let's see how low it goes, right? Let's see. Who knows? I mean, this pullback is pretty disgusting, and it's not the only one. Let's take a look at some others. This is the one with the stop sign. How does it make me feel? Well, now once again, this might be creating a buying opportunity. Hopefully that's all this is, right? Just a buying opportunity. There's no need to cry. It's penny stocks. You know they're gonna go down, right? They go up, they go down, they go sideways. So I say, you gotta be a sniper, you gotta be a ninja, you gotta take your money and run, and when they're in the red and they're really, really down, those are the times to buy. And when they're in the green and they're really, really up, those are the times to sell. Just saying, that's about learning to master the art of being a ninja. And believe me, it's an art. If you want to be a ninja, you gotta be quick. And even myself, I'm mastering the art every single day. I've been doing it for a long time, and I'm still getting better at it, and there's still lots of room for improvement, and there's still tons of room for growth. As you can see, GBTC going down 3.2%. This is 9% of Bitcoin, okay? So the volume is down, it is in the red, it is getting shorted. Everything that is down is getting shorted, okay? So everything except for BITCF, which is very interesting. Why I think BITCF may be one of the best opportunities of them all, because success leaves clues, and this might be a clue here. That maybe this is one of the stronger opportunities because it's the only one that's up on a day when everything Bitcoin is down. Take a look at this, the penny stock that they call themselves a Bitcoin and a cryptocurrency company. I don't know if they are. Coin Citadel, CCTL, 0004 by 0005. Not really going anywhere, guys. Not too excited about that one. Stinky Pinky. Okay? And let's see some more. BTL. BTL at $6.20. It was down today and I had to buy me some. So I got me some BTL group. They're involved in mining of Ethereum. Very into Ethereum. This is a very exciting opportunity. The American symbol is BTLLF. I found an opportunity today to get me some BTL when it was in the red. scoop me some BTL. And now I got some BTL. And if you want some too, it's down today. Watch it. Might be a good buying opportunity. Who knows? Like I said, don't buy just because I did, but I got me some BTL. I'm in the game, and I'm going to be getting me some more. And like I've told you guys before, my strategy is I accumulate these shares over time. If they go down, as far as I'm concerned, then they're on sale. I buy more at a lower price. I lower my average cost. At any point in time when they spike up, because they will, and they spike, that's when I sell. Anytime they're in the green, I'm selling. Anytime they're in the red, I'm thinking about either buying or accumulating more. Anytime they're in the green, I'm thinking of selling. That's my strategy, is accumulate wealth through stocks and real estate. When they're down, think of buying. When they're up, think of selling. And always think that way. And if you think that way and you operate from that premise, you will win. Sometimes you're going to make mistakes. Yesterday, I made a big mistake. I did not execute the way I should have on a stock that I already made money on. So, you live and learn. You make mistakes, you win, you lose. That's part of the market. I'm willing to take the wins and I'm willing to take the losses. I understand that's part of the market. I'm not going to panic and sell the stock. Now, everybody has their own strategy, how they want to trade. That is not my strategy. My strategy is to accumulate stock, okay? So I do not like to sell for a loss. ARKW is at $36.19. I really like this company. It's currently down today. I'm very interested in buying this. After this show today, I will most likely buy some of this. So I am looking to buy all of these Bitcoin stocks. I'm actually looking to position myself in all of these Bitcoin stocks as low as humanly possible. So on a day like today where everything is in the red, I'm actually looking at buying, okay? I'm looking at accumulating. I did buy GAHC way too high. I tried to sell it yesterday higher. I had the opportunity to sell it. I had the opportunity to make $1,000 in 8 minutes. I did not capitalize on it. Now I am down on my investment on GAHC. I am down 29% today. Am I feeling good about it? No, I do not feel good about it. Am I concerned? Of course I'm concerned. Am I worried? Of course I'm worried. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't worried. But do I have a plan? My plan is I will watch it. If it continues to go down, I will continue to watch it. If it goes down even more, I just continue to watch it. If it eventually bottoms out and starts coming up, I will then buy more. I will lower my average cost at that point, accumulate more shares, so that when it does spike up, I'll be able to get it back into the green, take my profit, and run and get out of the stock. Because I do not like the way it's trading right now. As you can see, it is getting shorted heavily. It is being shorted heavily. So the shorters have got a hold of it. They're shorting it all the way back down. This was in the penny stocks. It was in the sub pennies. It could go back down there again. And if it does, it does. Let's see what happens. I hope it doesn't. I don't think it will, but the way it's being shorted, I wouldn't be surprised. It's either being shorted or there are people within this company with unlimited amounts of stock that are converting infinitum with no respect for anybody's money. They are just jumping all the offers, sitting on the offer, running a box on the security, which is illegal, and they're just sitting there and they're capturing all the buying pressure that comes into the security. 23 million shares has come in today. Most of it is selling, and it's down 30%. So this is not trading healthy right now. I do not like the way it's trading. Now, I'm a shareholder of it. I own shares, but it doesn't mean that I like it right now. So what do? You win some, you lose some. That's the markets. And I had already made thousands of dollars on this deal. So obviously, I'm already up. And now I'm starting to go back down. And it seems as though I'm back to where I started. This is the price I originally bought this stock at. So it's kind of funny. You can see how it had its spike, went all the way up to a high, I think, of 7.5. And now it's all the way back to where it originally started, where I got it. And I know I got it after it had already had a massive run. So it's already come up a lot, went up much higher than this, retracted, and now it looks like it could go down even more. Like if I was a shorter, I'd probably be shorting this because I see a ton of shorting pressure and I don't see a lot of buying pressure. So to me, that is concerning as an investor because I am not the type of investor that panics, and because I've been doing this for a long time, I like to hold my stock long term and accumulate more. If it goes down more, I'll just continue to watch it. But like I said, do I feel good about it? No. Am I worried? Of course. Do I like it? No. But right now I'm kind of playing with house money. I was up a couple grand. I put the money back into the stock. I'm not really too concerned. And am I worried? Yes, because you never like stocks when they're down. But am I concerned, thinking that I'll never get a chance to make my money back? No, because I believe that these stocks break these highs just so that they can do it again. So they're gonna go up, they're gonna go down. They're gonna go up, they're gonna go down. That's the way these stocks trade. Let's take a look at um, a marijuana stock, ACB. I want to show you guys how it's traded and why I think that it hit a bottom today, and why I think that there is a lot more room for growth for all these marijuana stocks, and I think they're all very undervalued. Okay, so if you pull up ACB's chart, Aurora Cannabis, ACBFF, it's an 80% sell on bar chart. This is why I say I don't always agree with bar charts. So obviously bar chart's wrong today. They're giving it an 80% sell. Now obviously that's based on what has happened. This is turned today. This might be a one-day blip. They might continue to go down. Bar chart might be indicating that. But I don't necessarily think that these stocks are, hopefully going to continue to go down. I think there is a chance they could spike up. If you take a look at the 3-month chart, you could see it is the lowest it's been in the last 3 months. Okay, it's been much higher. It's been as high as, let's say, around 270, and today it hit a low of around $1.47. So it has been much, much higher than this, even in the last couple months. So there's a lot of room for growth. And if you look at the last year, that's just the last 3 months. But if you look at the last year, you'll see, it's been as low as 31 cents. Okay, so obviously it can go way lower, but it's been as high as $2.96. On November 16th, it was at $2.96. So do I think it has huge potential? Absolutely. Do I think it could go down more? Absolutely, it could go down more. Do I think it could go up more? Absolutely, I think it could go up more. So right now, it's just kind of in limbo, and I feel like the marijuana industry is looking for some news. I really do. I think that they're looking for some news. They're looking for something substantial. They're looking for something to just give it a kick. Something to kickstart it. Something to just put it back into a winning position. A powerful position where it has the big moat. Because right now, you can see it doesn't have the moat. Look, it's down, down, down. So it's been much higher. But this might be creating buying opportunities. It's true. This might be creating a buying opportunity. Now, is there any other stocks that are trending or exploding that I need to know about right now, people? Let me know if there's anything else that's exploding. Let's see. CVNA. CVNA on the New York Stock Exchange, up 27%, traded 5 million shares at $12. It's a big winner. It's got some chicken dinner written all over it. We're going to start dating right now. CVNA. What do you think? Do you like it? Is it a winner? Do you think it's potential chicken dinner or what? I want to know, guys. Is there anything else out there that I haven't seen yet that deserves our attention? FZRT. FZRT. Don't CFZRT. Do you guys have any others that are hot that I must bring to the people, to the public, to the viewers, to the subscribers, the people that are watching all across the globe? Is there anything else that I must bring out? What is trending? Wow! BITCF climbing live on Rich TV Live. We're at 46 cents. We are live. Didn't I just say this was going to $1? I didn't mean live on our show on YouTube, the greatest streaming platform alive. Am I doing the air guitar? I got the real guitar. Is this not the greatest show on earth right now? I mean, if you're not winning, you're not watching. All I do is bring you all the winners, the best winners that are trending every single day. I mean, didn't I just say that BITCF was going to go to $1? And is it now up 16% and traded 1 million shares? In fact, I like it so much, I want to buy me some. I like it so much, I want to buy me some. I'm thinking I need to make a move. I gotta make a move. I got no choice. I need to make a move. Wow! FRZT. Give it up to Alessa Soriano. We will start dating a sub-penny stock up 528%. FRZT traded 900 million shares. My goodness, up 528%. In fact, you know what? Gotta let somebody know about this one. We're gonna call this company because they need our help. And that is what we do. We help the undervalued, underappreciated, and underexposed get awareness, create exposure. Give me more, guys. If you guys have more winners, look them up. I love this one. FRZT. You are a scholar, my friend. Good pick. I love it. FRZT. Freeze tag. We are going to call them. They need our help. They need exposure. Give me more, guys. Give me more. Give me more. Is there any more winners? I want to go back to BITCF. I want to buy me some BITCF. I think this has been at 80 cents before the CAD Redemptor, and it's going right back there. I think this is as quick as good of a double as you can get. And man, it's already at 46. I ain't gonna miss this one. As soon as the show's done, I'm out and I'm gonna get me some BITCF. I'm accumulating these stocks, guys. I'm just gonna accumulate these stocks. They're gonna go up, they're gonna go down. I don't really care. I have no emotion. They're going to go up. They're going to go down. Same with the marijuana stocks. They're going to go up. They're going to go down. I'm just going to accumulate. I'm just going to accumulate. Just going to accumulate. As many Bitcoin stocks, as many medical marijuana stocks, as many technology stocks, as many good revenue generating stocks as I can get my hands on. That's the name of the game, guys. Accumulate. 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 Real estate and stock. The more you accumulate, the more you win. If you're not winning, you're not watching, I understand. Maybe you haven't found us. You haven't heard of us. Maybe you just haven't seen us. And that's okay. If you've just found us now, congratulations. You are now going to get a chance to have some chicken dinner. Occasionally a turkey. And once in a while some surf and turf. And the reason is because every single day, we identify the winners. We find the stocks that are trending in real time, that are spiking live in real time, and we bring it to you first, live on YouTube, the greatest streaming platform in the galaxy. It's true. And we have our own medical marijuana company that we just got into business with yesterday. It's true. And this medical marijuana company is interested in working with our CBD company. So we're working with putting our CBD company together with our medical marijuana company to create a super company and bringing them on our show. So let me just tell you, there's some crazy things happening behind the scenes. In addition to that, we're also working with two of our own Bitcoin companies, our own cryptocurrency companies that have their own cryptocurrencies, that have their own coin, that are either creating their own coin or have their own coin, and we're going to be working with them as well. So there's so many great things that are happening, so many opportunities, and there's other CEOs and other companies that we're talking to every day that are looking at our show and want to come onto Rich TV and want to partner with Rich TV in some capacity. So we're really excited about where we are. Honestly feel like I'm living the dream. So we are doing some incredible things. It's all because of you, the people. And without you guys, none of this would have been possible. So I feel very fortunate. I feel very, very lucky. I feel like I have the greatest community on the planet. And there are members of the community that are more involved than others. But the one thing I want you guys to realize is whether you're involved in a small way or a big way, everybody counts. So whether you're hitting the like button, whether you're commenting on the show, or both, that makes a world of difference for our show, okay? Telling your friends, telling your family, getting other people involved. Rich TV Live is a community for you guys to learn. Rich TV Live is a community for you guys to learn and have the tools of the gods. We want to educate you about Bitcoin cryptocurrencies. We want to educate you about different types of cryptocurrencies, how to get different accounts, where to get accounts, what are the best places to have accounts, where to buy Bitcoin, which Bitcoin cryptocurrencies to buy, when to buy them, how to buy them, where to buy them from. We're doing a lot of research every single day to bring you guys the best. And trust me when I tell you guys, we are just getting started, and there's a whole world out there that we're just starting to discover. And we're so excited to bring it to you guys and bring it to you live. And as we grow every single day, each and every one of you makes a difference, okay? So I want you to understand that whether you come on the show, whether you're involved like Tony is and you're my co-host and we're working together doing a show, or whether you're DJ Cloud Ninja and you're giving us music, doing picks, however you're involved at whatever capacity, everybody has the ability to make a difference. Everyone has the ability to contribute here on Rich TV Live. And I want you guys to understand that. And I value you, each and every one of you. And together, everyone achieves more. And as a team, we are growing exponentially. And I'm super excited to be a part of it. And it is a dream come true. And great things are happening. And it's because of you guys. So remember, visit Rich TV Live. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the like down below and comment on the show, because all I do is bring you winners. Occasionally a chicken dinner, surf and turf here and there, and on special occasions, a fat old turkey. Alright guys, we're about done. I'm going to buy me some BITCF. I love me some BITCF, so I'm gonna go get me some BITCF. You guys have yourselves a great day. Happy hunting. Be careful out there. There's some winners, there's some losers. But if you come to Rich TV Live every single day, I promise you, I will bring you the winners. Alright guys, it's about that time. I know. I don't want to go either. I love you guys. But I gotta go. I'll see you guys next time. I love me some BITCF. Back from the dead. Wow. And FRZT? My goodness. Up 585%. Let's just watch it. Wow. Go low, Rich wants some BITCF. Go low, BITCF.